Hi everyone, this is Ramu Puli. In this video, I would like to talk about how to draft invitation card or invitation letter. What is invitation? As you know very well that man is social by nature. Hence, interaction and communication between human beings is quite natural. In fact, it has become unavoidable. We may share views either orally or in writing. We hold many social functions such as celebrations of birthday, engagement, wedding, marriage anniversary, appointment, promotion, etc. An invitation is a written or verbal request inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. An invitation is a request or a solicitation or an attempt to get another person to join you at a specific event. When you ask people to attend a party, visit your house or witness your marriage, you invite them by giving them an invitation. It can be in the form of an invitation card, which is generally considered as formal invitation, or it may be in a letter format, which is more informal. Now let me tell you a few basic guidelines of an invitation. Invitation can be formal and informal. However, an invitation contains these points: who are inviting, when you are inviting, whom you are inviting, where you are inviting, at what time you are inviting, and why you are inviting. The formal invitation are like printer invitation cards. It must contain the occasion, name or names of the invitee, name or names of the host, date, time, and venue. Sometimes a name of the chief guest, special invitees, etc. Let me show you some examples along with questions that generally occur in the examinations. Here is the question 1. Mr. Ram and the staff are opening a new connecting classroom online classes at Vinayakanagar, Hanamkonda, Warangal. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Tuesday, the 14th of April 2020 at 5:30 p.m. Now, prepare a draft of formal invitation letter for the purpose. Now look at this invitation card according to the question. One more example of the formal invitation. You are a principal of Model Public School, Warangal. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday, the 7th March, uncertain year, at 11 a.m. The collector, Sri Rajiv Gandhi Hanumantu, IAS, has consented to be the chief guest. Now design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. See, now you can find here that we have learned which are included in the invitation card: who are inviting, when you are inviting, where are you inviting, at what time you are inviting, and why you are inviting. And see, this is the another example. Invitation of literary competition. If you look at the informal invitation, it is a personal invitation given to friends or family members. We invite for dinner or for birthday party, such. Look at this invitation. It is an example for letter type invitation, inviting for birthday party. Now I will show you some samples of invitation cards. See, invitation for annual day celebrations, invitation for marriage celebrations, invitation for opening ceremony, you have seen and learned how to draft an invitation card or letter. Now look here, there are 3 questions. You can try drafting invitation for these questions. This is all about preparing or drafting invitation. I hope now you got an idea of preparing an invitation. Thank you.